This is the L'Oreal Colorista bleach. It comes with the tube of bleach, the developer, a balm, which is normally a conditioner used afterwards. Oh, never mind. I got that all wrong. This is the bleach powder. This is lightening cream. What the hell is this? Oh, this is the developer. Aha! This is the brassy, anti-brassy conditioner, so that's really nice. But I thought it came with the balm in here. And don't throw these away. The gloves are inside. After thoroughly not reading the directions correctly, we're going to be clipping the tip, nipping the tip, whatever you call it, cutting the boo-boo. Ah! Cutting the boo-boo. What the hell? What happened? Why did it explode? What? Did you guys see that? Was this hot or what? I don't know what happened. There's like... What the hell? Okay, I so could have avoided all that. I'm just gonna like do it the old-fashioned way, which is you just squirt jizz on here, you know? Cut the powder open. Whoa. Just take that and, oh! Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, get in there. Oh, this smells good. Sometimes people just buy blonde hair wigs and they dip dye them, or they boil water with dye and they use that. I'm very old-fashioned. I like to do it with my hands. I don't really like dipping it in the water because you have to do that over and over and over again. After I dyed the whole hair, I split the hair up into sections, and it's easier. You can see the tracks right here. So I just put dye over that. And don't expect the hair to be like platinum blonde if you bleach it once. From dark hair, you're gonna look like a member of the Hermione family. Hermione, Ron, Harry Potter moment. That gingery brown hair is what you're going to be dealing with. Final thing we're going to do is give it one brush over, and I know I'm not wearing gloves, I'll wear gloves soon. Just give it one quick brush. I'm gonna get a paper bag and cover it for about 20 to 30 minutes.